I tried passing the PTE test probably around 5-7 times. In the last 3 or 4 opportunities, I passed every single band, listening, writing, and reading without problems, even got 19 reading one of them, but I kept failing the speaking session. I tried different techniques and I was probably speaking too fast. I was using too much intonation and too much reading. Thanks Alex for all the support, for all the information, for all the feedback. It's really important to do this kind of training with someone with experience, because I tried to do it by myself for several times and I just finished spending money. So based on feedback, I started to do some corrections, and I also adjusted the speech and the volume of the way how I was speaking, and that helped me a lot. So we worked together doing a few mock tests from the PTE. We then booked a new test, and finally I got my desired result after all the work and effort and stress that it was really difficult for me to pass the speaking session. I've been a few years in Australia. I work and deal with just Australians every day, speak English at work, and still I don't think that the problem was that I couldn't speak English. The problem was that I didn't have the right techniques to pass the test. If you have the opportunity, guys, to work with Alex, he has the experience to help you to achieve what you want to do, and probably it's going to be easier than working by yourself.